Oh no. That's exactly why you just carry one jug at a time. Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's really hot in my garage, so hope you don't mind the fan going on. Yee! My only fan. So this, hold on. So this is my intake manifold for my H22 motor, and I'm gonna try to make it look brand new again. Woo! Alright, let's do this. Yeah! So this is pretty much all the components removed, and look, it looks super nasty. And in case you're wondering, my head is still at the machine shop, so there's not really much else I can do except try to clean his head up. Yeah. So clean, I don't mind holding it with my bare hands. Yeah. Alright, so the whole reason why I wanted to clean this intake is so I could get in here. I'm trying to pull out these, they're called EGR ports, and pretty much it just gives me access to this type of railing or tube in here. I don't really know the specifics, but it's very important to clean the inside of this so the car can breathe properly. So I'm not really sure how I'm gonna pull these plugs out, but let's try and make it happen. I'm gonna try punching these just to make a little indentation. Oh, I see it moving. There we go. Woo! Okay. Don't mind the super loud fans, but we're in my backyard. Woo! And we got a spectator. Okay. Hey, Pepe. So to my understanding, I'm supposed to use like 2 cans of brake cleaner, but I'm kind of broke, and I do have this carb cleaner, which I remember was a lot stronger. So all we gotta do is spray it in each one of these ports all the way until this can is empty, pretty much. Bro, did you see that? Oh, whoa. Oh, that one's gurgling. Yeah, it comes out of here. Ew. Dang. Gross. Ooh.
Start it up.
Yo, y'all didn't know I was gone, but now I'm back. Yeah. The intake manifold is all cleaned up. Woo. This little blocker plate that goes on top of the intake manifold is nice and shiny. Giggity. This top part of the intake manifold is nice and clean. Yeah. And these other parts are nice and clean. But before I put everything back together, I got one more thing to top it off. Oh yeah, it's not what you think. These are plugs. Look at that. Ooh, nice and gold. So these are like pipe plugs, and I'm gonna make these fit into here because you remember I pulled out them little plugs right here, and they were like a one-time type deal. So these are gonna allow me to always go back in here and reuse them like a regular screw.
up.
Yo, I've been messing up so much. So turns out these don't fit, man. I can't use them. These are too big and they won't fit inside these holes, but it's all good. I have a fix. I got the correct size bolt right here, and look, they plug into here no problem, perfectly. Woo! Oh yeah. The only issue is that these are way too long. This is the ideal length, whereas this is like, sheesh. So I need to cut a lot off. Yeah. But it's all good. All I gotta do is get this nut and bolt, screw it on here, and then I'm just gonna cut this part off with a Dremel. But pretty much the reason why I need this nut on here is because when you cut this off, it's gonna kind of like mess up the threads somehow or whatever. And when I unscrew this, it'll fix those threads back up, and I could just screw this back on onto the intake manifold with no problem. Yeah. Woo, nice. Oh yeah. Look at that. Beautiful. Woo. Okay. I think it came out pretty nicely, if I do say so myself. Yeah. Hey, there we go. Intake manifold is complete and it looks really good. Oh yeah. This thing's super clean. We got the replaceable bolts right here, so anytime I need to clean this out, I just gotta unscrew it, clean it out, put it back in. Now I can save myself a trip from going to Honda and getting these freaking EGR caps, whatever, to replace them. Best intake mod ever. Oh yeah. Now do I recommend this? Yeah, you know, if your engine's being worked on at the shop and you got nothing to do, I highly recommend this. But if you're just trying to clean out your intake manifold and get it done real quick, nah, I don't recommend doing this. This took a lot of work. The OEM replacement plugs are really cheap. They're probably only like not even 50 cents each, so definitely go with the OEM plugs. But if you're gonna be bougie, definitely go with these freaking bolts. Make custom threads, cut down the bolt studs just like I did, and bam! From now on, like every 50,000 miles, when you pull out the EGR ports to clean them out, you don't have to replace them because you already got these bolts, yeah? By the time I need to clean this again, I'm probably just gonna buy a new intake manifold. But alright, yo, that's gonna do for today's video. Hopefully, the next time y'all hear from me, the head will be back from the shop, and we can finally get the Lude started and running and driving it every day. And maybe sell the Civic. Nah, I'm just kidding. Cause I kinda don't really care about the Civic either. Yeah.